I'm Kirk Mastin. I'm the creator of Mastin Labs. I'm the father of two wonderful little girls, Maeve and Louise. I would say in the beginning of my career, I was really concerned with fame and about making it. But I realized after a time that I was taking my camera with me all the time when I was trying to make it, and then putting it away when I got home because I was just so burned out, like I just did not want to shoot anymore. And I went through a few stretches of time, maybe a year or two, where I didn't really take that many pictures of my kids, and I really regret that. Yeah, times are hopefully different now, and fathers are participating more in their children's lives on a daily basis, because I think the best gift that you can give a child is not resources or toys, it's your time. What's really cool is when you prioritize time with your kids, a lot of moments happen when you're with them that make for really important and beautiful photos. They just unfold right before you. My favorite pictures I've ever taken in my entire career, no matter what I've ever done, are the photos I've taken of my kids in those moments that unfold spontaneously in front of me. I would also say, like, the best photos I've taken of my children were not like any super special peak experiences, like a once-in-a-lifetime trip somewhere or whatever. It's the little in-between moments where Maeve will show me some crazy invention that she made out of like spare parts, or Louise will show me a picture of a bowl of ice cream with her name spelled above it where the S is backwards. Those are the pictures that have the most meaning for me, when kids are just being kids and doing things that you see and you remember, like they bring you back to your own childhood. The little games and art projects, all of that. I love that. That's my favorite. And there's a lot of creativity in kids that I think as artists we're trying to get back to. We're trying to get back to that loose, intuitive way of making art or expressing ourselves, and being around my kids brings me back there. So in a weird way, it like translates back into my professional work. I can't overstate how important it is to record your own life as an artist in a very artistic way. And I'm never concerned with what a perfect moment is with your child, like what it's supposed to look like for Instagram or whatever. The best photos I've taken come naturally. And it's easy, it's intuitive. Anyone can do it.